Hi, my name's Kevin from Smart Home Improvement People Limited. Today, it's just a quick video, just basically give you a bit of information about us if you've never heard of us before. We're a home improvement company that helps people get up to 4 quotes for any home improvements you're looking at doing in the future, whether it's now or at some time over the next year or so. So if you're looking at getting any quotes for things like windows, conservatories, porches, you need builders, plasterers, painter and decorators, whatever it is, don't think twice, but come and speak to us. Even if it's a bit of advice you want, just get in contact with us and let's see how we can help you. Um, our service doesn't cost you a single penny. You don't have to pay a penny to us at all. So just get in touch on the website or give us a quick call and let's see how we can help you. Okay, cheers.